Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm gonna talk about the pre-makeup skincare routine to achieve the flawless base. I don't follow all these steps on a daily basis because I don't apply makeup on daily basis. So all I do is to follow a proper skincare routine which I have already shared in this channel. So for the link to that video, check the description box below or the iCard above. You don't need to follow all the steps mentioned in this video every single day for your work or college, because for works and college you just go with everyday simple kind of makeup for which having a proper skincare routine is more than enough. All the steps which I'm gonna show in this video are for very special occasions. I do follow this elaborate process when there is any special occasions where my base makeup has to look flawless and my makeup has to last for longer duration, or whenever I'm recording any makeup tutorial so that my skin can look flawless on the camera. It is very important to have a proper skincare routine. Nobody can deny that fact, but for the special occasions, taking a little extra care and prepping the skin for the makeup is equally important. You can use any range of products which you have at home or which you use on daily basis, and also you can add any extra step if you are used to it, or feel free to skip any step which you feel completely unnecessary for you. So that's the long intro for you all. So let's proceed and see how I prep my skin for makeup on special occasions to make my base look flawless. So this is how my skin looks now. Even though it looks fine and shiny, it definitely is not prepared for makeup. So let's prep the skin for the makeup. So the first step is cleansing. So I'm taking this foam cleanser on my palm and applying it all over my face. From the past few months, I'm following this 60-second rule for face wash. So you can clearly see me doing that. There was a time where the internet was obsessed with the 60-second rule for washing the face, and I tried following it and definitely saw good results on my skin. So I swear by this 60-second rule. After cleaning the face, the second step is to exfoliate. I'm taking the scrub on my palm and applying it on my damp face. Remember, the face has to be damp. This step of exfoliating makes sure to get rid of dead skin cells and dry patches, leaving your skin smooth.
A few moments later.
Now remove the water completely from the face with the help of a napkin or towel, and let's move to the third step, which is masking. So I'm applying the mask all over my face and neck evenly. Face masks help in deep cleansing and helps to keep the skin surface clean and our pores unclogged, leaving a beautiful glowing skin. Don't forget to apply the mask on your neck also, and leave the mask for 10 minutes or let it dry completely. The next step is for the lips. So I'm using this Vaseline Petroleum Jelly on my lips for the flawless lipstick application. You can use any lip balm of your choice, but make sure to apply it as a thick coat. This step will make sure that your lips are moisturized nicely and will give you a flawless lipstick look. As my nail polish is chipped, I am giving it a single coat, but before that, it's time for some good music. As the mask has dried completely, I'm going to take it off from my face by washing my face. So the next step is toner. On the damp face, apply toner all over the face and neck. I don't need to be very specific about the importance of toner, so make sure you use a good toner. Next comes the sheet mask. I am applying a sheet mask to give my skin enough hydration, which is very important for the upcoming makeup process so that the skin looks radiant and healthy. Apply the remaining serum from the sachet on your neck and leave it for 10 minutes. If you are used to using any serum in your daily skincare routine, so this is the right time to use. After the sheet mask, go ahead and apply your serum, but as my serum got over, I am directly moving on to the next step, which is moisturizer. I am applying the moisturizer all over my face and giving it a nice massage on the face and the neck. So let the moisturizer sit on your face for some time and then proceed with your next steps. If it's morning, go for a sunscreen after the moisturizer and then primer and then remaining steps of the makeup. But if it's night, you can skip the sunscreen and directly go to the primer and then the remaining steps of your makeup. So that's it guys, that's all for today's video. This is how I prep my skin for special occasions to make my base makeup look flawless. I hope you all liked it and found it helpful. If you do so, please share this with all your friends and family members. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.